LKA may not detect obstacles at the side of the vehicle and always tries to keep the vehicle laterally to the center of lane even though another vehicle may be occupying the lane at the side. This could lead to a possible collision. Driver should always be in control of the steering wheel and shall provide additional torque to override lane keep assist in such conditions. LKA will not work in road under construction or new road without lane markings. Driver should always be in control of the steering wheel in such conditions. LKA will not work in faded lane or no lane conditions. Driver should always be in control of the steering wheel in such conditions. LKA and LDW will not work in multiple lane marking roads. Driver should always be in control of the steering wheel in such situations. LKA will not work in multiple lane marking roads. Driver should always be in control of the steering wheel in such situations. LKA and LDW in sharp curve lanes. System will provide only a mild steering torque within the operating limits. This torque may not be sufficient during sharper curves. System may stop providing assist if it determines the torque provided is not sufficient to pull back to the lane. Driver is always responsible to steer the vehicle and bring vehicle back to lane. LKA or LDW will not be provided for barricades and barrels on the side of road. In some rare situations when system is unable to do proper judgment, system may generate visual or audio alerts even when the driver holds the steering wheel as a precautionary measure. Lane keep assist and lane departure warning system is intended to assist the driver and cannot function as intended in all kind of driving, weather, traffic and road conditions, as mentioned below.